She tried to kill me. I should make a movie called Death by Ladder. Still leakages. Welcome back to Shalom Meadows. And those that are new here, welcome to Shalom Meadows. Here we are flipping this old rundown office trailer building from the 1960s, 70s into our home. Today, on our plate, we're going to get back to the ceiling. We're going to get back to mudding and taping, and we're going to cut out the last piece to put in to complete the ceiling before, you know, it all gets sanded down, it all gets mudded, it all gets trimmed. So, but we're going to continue from the last video of Monday. You know, stuff that I was talking about last video, I advise not to use it. Okay, so stick with the old timey, you know, tape that doesn't stick. Hold on a minute, I'll remind y'all what that is. I don't remember exactly what it's called, and you know the size and measurements and everything, but you should be able to look it up. Still leakages, okay? But it's only one in only one spot, and we might have that fixed today as well. And it rains, we'll see. But as far as we know, that's it. That's it. They're just, you know, just a little leaking spot. Fix it. And then next time it rains, there should be no leaking in any window. So that will be a blessing. But my lovely mother-in-law even said something to us, you know, the other day that you know how we were saying that we might put the window in the bathroom. Well, it might be sooner than later, you know, of course, when we get the funds for it, because we need to do that before we put the siding on the house. Okay, so if we did that, we already had the siding on, we'd have to cut through that and cut through the side and all that. So it'd be better off to just cut through the wall, cut through the wood, cut through the metal, and not through the wall, the wood, the metal, and siding. So it might be sooner, and just hopefully that one doesn't leak, because you know how we are with leaking windows. But we appreciate y'all coming back. And if you're new here, we appreciate you coming. But remember, y'all, to like, share, and subscribe, and click that notification bell. Hey, when you give us likes, it helps the algorithm know that you like it, and it sends it to more people. And you share it, you know, that they'll see it, and, you know, hopefully they'll like it, and then it'll go to more people. You hit that subscribe button, that helps us a lot. You click that red notification bell, you'll know every Monday and Wednesday when our videos come out. And we get to work now. It's like everything else. I put too much mud on there, and so instead of hand sanding it, so hopefully I don't mess it up. So I've never. Why are you smacking yourself? A bug. You know that. We're in the house. Come on. We're gonna get rid of that problem too before we move in. Best believe. I'm gonna use this. Oh, it's hair. Oh, but I'm gonna use this here to do it. And now I'm gonna put another coating on it. And yes, I got a little mask called a head covering, but I got a little mask to cover my nose and my mouth, so it should be a little bit safer.
We have masks, just so y'all know that. He just won't wear them for some reason. They're uncomfortable. We also have goggles, but he also doesn't wear those because they, like, water up.
Yeah, I'll be like this. Those that work at warehouses knows, or manufacturing jobs, stuff like that, you know what it's like to wear a mask and safety glasses. They fog up. So just imagine wearing the goggles and a mask.
It works!
It works. But it's not a fire. It's dust. I got mud it again, and then let it dry, and then sand it, and then we shouldn't be able to see the tape anymore. But now I'm going over here to this side to mud this one, and what is it? Contrasting? Make it contrast. I didn't think about this because the old makeup days. Not me, but those y'all out there. I mean, okay. But contour. We're trying to contour the piece to make it like it's one piece. You know, y'all ladies watching. You know how you put that little contour to try to make your skin look all one piece. You know, and not wrinkled.
Actually, it's not contour.
My wife so rudely made me look like an a-hole. I apologize.
The word is not contour.
I don't know what the word is.
It'll
Maybe if
y'all
y'all
look cohesive.
Cohesively look the same. Cohesive. I think if that's the word. Just trying to make it look like one piece, because whenever we put the trim that we have right here, you see that trim right there? Show them the trim there, lovely. See the trim right there? We're going to try to put trim, and make it kind of, a certain kind of way. Try to do this one piece, and then we'll do this over here one piece. That way we can just yippee-doo-dah day, So, let me do that. I'm going to show y'all something too. How badly we need. Oh my gosh, was that a spider web? Get out of here, Joe. How badly we need one of these. We ain't got another one yet, but we'll go clean it out somehow.
Wish you would have done that in the trash can.
Ta-da!
There's still pieces in it.
Ta-da! Simple fix. Save money. Beat it to death. Don't beat it to death. I'm sorry. You got feelings.
Thank you. Now you won't use me again.
Yeah, it's okay, buddy.
Thank you.
Okay. I had it pre-opened, and then I sat on it and closed it. Now I gotta open it again. Do not do that at home, okay? Do not, okay? I know y'all apologize that, we keep giving y'all, parts of videos. It's hard right now because of the time constraints that we have, but and the budget. So what I was going to say to you is, we'll move over here and we're going to put a little mud, put the tape, and put some more mud. You gotta let it dry, then we gotta sand it and do it again and then sand it. But just remember, y'all, there's going to be a good amount of stuff to do with the ceiling. This is the living room kitchen area, so like I said, we're going to, I still got to mud the screws and let them dry. And we got to finish that piece over there. And there's going to be trim all over it. There's going to be caulk. There's going to be, and going to be painting it. So there's a lot to it. And as soon as we can get that done, like I said, building up the sink, building up the countertops, putting the flooring in, all that. Some interesting stuff's coming. And I was telling you guys that we're going to put, siding on the house. Y'all going to see that too. So, that's not it though. We're going to do the porches. We're going to do stuff while we're in here, and we're going to do stuff over at the other house, and stuff in the yard. And there'll always be something. As long as the time fits and the budget fits, we're going to have something to show you all in the video. I just wanted to give y'all an update on what we're doing right now. Like I said, I let that dry, so we're coming over here, and then I might have to do the rest of this, and then we're gonna do the don't tell me the window, and we're gonna try to put this in here to cover all the stuff in there, to cover the light switch, and all this stuff. So there's gonna be some cutting out, and then what we did with this, we actually got it off the wall over here where we're doing the windows, and we're gonna just, what do you call it? Basically recycle the house into the house. So bring it over and put it as a wall inside the pardon me, I was talking. You too. Not the man. We're gonna, put it in the drywall. We're gonna put it in the laundry room. I couldn't think of what it was called. I was gonna call it the cleaner's room. This ain't a hotel. Especially Bates Hotel. You know why? Because that was a motel.
Tape after all. I'm using it to fix some of these big holes that we made for the electrical. Stop! Oh my god!
I got her, y'all. I got her.
You let me die?
I got her,
I
y'all.
almost had a heart attack. Looks like I found something good to use this mesh tape for.
Oh, by crap. Good job.
I smell good.
Measure this.
Woo.
Say what? Right here. I don't have no more discounts, so. That's where I gotta put it.
Still sharper than that. Oh no. That's
What we did is we cut down the piece of drywall that you remember we painted with our little cloth. So we cut it down to try to fill this in, and hopefully it fits. Let's pray it fits, because We don't want to keep having to go back and forth on this thing.
It's like the worst thing with drywall when you don't get the right fit. Oh my god. Good.
I don't know about that.
It's good. It's very good. For now.
I don't know where the middle piece is.
Isn't sheetrock fun? Round 2.
Round 2.
With this drywall.
What?
Yeah, that's how I felt.
Nope.
Okay, is it too big somewhere? Here.
Yeah.
I hear you, but we're not doing that.
We can duct tape.
Nope.
Well, I'll tell you what, y'all ain't heard. We put the tape on there, and that was a good catch, me. Thank you. All right. We put the stuff on there so we could dab burn and put it on the other side, but sometimes you go against your plan. Where's it at? Where's it at?
What?
Right there. What forth thou cometh through you doeth what I saith, that burn.
I can go ahead and start.
That burn.
For it.
Oh. Lordy.
I didn't do that out of anger. I swear it was an accident. I swear.
She tried to kill me.
Accidents. All accidents.
I might have to call the police. Not really. That scared the far out of me. I'm okay though. Oh. Oh. I should make a movie called Death by Ladder. A short film. These ladders about killed me numerous times. Numerous. Thank you for your prayers. Alright, y'all, I apologize. We didn't get it finished today. We're running out of time. And as you've seen, I almost got murdered on the ladder again. So I thought I'd end it a little bit early. No, we're running out of time. But we're going to continue it, and following videos. And we appreciate you. You come back here yonder now, y'all. You remember Porky Pig? Yeah. Drop down in the comments. But we appreciate y'all coming back and watching. And hey, don't be afraid to drop something in the comments. If you got a question you want to let us know, something you want to say, hey, you doing that wrong? Hey, you doing that right? Hey, it'll help us out. It'll help us out either way it goes. Hey, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And look out. Hey, whoa, you see that? Monday's video is coming. So don't forget about Monday's video. And give a thumbs up. Click that notification bell. Shalom, y'all.